you happy now? What are we doing today, bud?
Oh yeah, we're gonna have fun today.
We're gonna rip that off because he won't shut the fuck up about putting that on. So, originally, what did you want to originally build this bumper out of, Collin? Sprinkler pipe. Yeah, I warned him that wouldn't work so well, as many of you probably know. And I know Austin and Joe are watching this. So we're not building it out of sprinkler pipe anymore. Collin actually got some nice pipe. You have nice pipe, Collin.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we got this guy for extra. There's a golf cart. Still needs to get done. So we're gonna get to ripping this off, and we're gonna get to fabbing that onto that. Cutting, welding, having a good old time.
It's gonna get interesting.
It's gonna get interesting. Should be fun. Stick around. You like to join me down here, sweetheart? All right. Hi. Gotta unplug this guy. A few other bolts and shit. We're gonna have to take the front of this off to get to these. Oh no, yeah, just take these out.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, and then this guy. No, that can stay.
Should we get our safety squint?
Yeah, man. Yeah. That. Yeah. We're gonna get going on this. We're all covered in mud and things.
Bye. Bye.
What are you thinking about now?
Angle.
All the way up.
Huh?
He looks confused. So, instead of cutting these off, I think we're just going to make the plates to bolt back up to here, then have a short little bar going up to that, just so it's easier to take off, and then we'll figure everything else out. I was trying to figure the angle.
The angle of the dangle.
Angle of the dangle. Alright, so we got our setup here for the camera tripod to get this thing to where we want it, and we were using that to level it, but that gap was bigger than that gap because the truck's on the ground, we're measuring out the truck, the ground's unlevel. That didn't work, so now we're Collin's using his favorite tool, his tape measure. Well, now we're getting real scientific with it. Frickin' lasers, man. That way, when we take it off, we know exactly where it's going back on. We're getting smarter, slowly but surely. I know. Still pretty stupid. Got her all traced out, got the holes marked. Collin's gonna have the honor of cutting it. The old tow bar powered up. We got about, that should be enough. So while he's doing that, got this part on there. Now we're just working on this part down here for these guys. Oh, Jesus.
Got it.
My God. What
Animal.
Wait a minute.
Good, man.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, the factory.
Yeah, factory. It is a Chevy, so it's not saying much. Looks like something made in the factory.
Kind of.
Hell yeah, brother.
Let's get it level, and then we can tack this into place here, and then unscrew it, and then finish welding it on the bench.
That was the plan.
Oh, fuck! Oh!
How's it going? We would have been welding by now, but somebody messed up on the length of this guy. Didn't you, Collin?
Yep.
Pretty happy about that bumper so far?
Yeah.
Oh, Nick's here. Say hi, Nick.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
It's all welded up. Got it all dialed in down there. Yep. We're getting there. Now just some skid plate and paint it. God damn it. Well, we can't have nice things, bro. Are you happy now? Are you gonna shut the hell up about this stupid ass bumper? God. Non-stop for the past like week. I don't know, what do you guys think? For our first bumper, that came out pretty good. These factory mounting locations, other than the bottom there, but pretty sure everyone does that. That's good. Now we just got to get a couple light bars on there, some pods, and Collin's trunk will be brighter than the sun.
Yeah.
Well, hope you enjoyed us struggling to get that done. I don't want to deal with metal like that again for a while.
Yeah. I'm good with that for a bit.
Yeah, but it was a good experience. Maybe we'll make more, maybe we won't.
We gotta do the rear bumper now.
So with that, if anybody wants, what year's your truck? 2018 Silverado bumper. Got it for sale. But hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna go have a few drinks and relax now. So, thanks for watching, and bye bye.